I'm pleased to welcome and visit with John Carroll with TPC Enterprises. John was a recent honoree here at ISSA Show North America with the ISSA Manufacturer Representatives Distinguished Service Award. John, congratulations.
Thank you, Jeff.
What an honor.
Yes, it was.
When you first learned about this, I know you didn't learn about it at the show, you were warned it was coming.
Yeah.
What was your initial reaction when you heard about this?
I was exhilarated. It was, I personally, when I was on the board of directors of ISSA, I brought the idea of that award to establish that award, and it was passed. And 24 years later, here I am getting that award.
Now, wait a second. This is breaking news to me.
Yeah.
You were behind this.
Yes.
And how many, 24 years?
24 years ago, yeah.
So how did that go with that idea? Was it well received right away?
It was primarily well received. My point was to have it for reps.
Okay.
But the board says, well, what about manufacturers too, including? I said, if that's what it takes to get this award, I said, fine.
It's the Manufacturer Reps Award, so congratulations. So it must mean a lot to you, more than just someone else. You know what I mean? It's got a lot of meaning to you.
Very much so.
Yeah. So talk about that. What does that mean personally, professionally?
Well, it was an accomplishment that I set forth when I got onto the board of directors, and then professionally, that is, and then personally, it was
Culmination.
Yeah, it's a culmination of my career, basically. You know, and I'm semi-retired now, and so it's really an honor. It's been an honor, sure.
John says he's semi-retired. I don't know if I believe every word of that. I don't know if anyone.
I told my wife that, but
oh, there you go.
Okay.
I don't know if anyone actually leaves the industry completely.
True.
We retire, but we can't. Is it true that as you're semi-retired, you stay as busy as before?
Oh, I only do what I want to do. So
that's still busy.
It's still busy, yeah. So it could be, really busy, or it can be really slow. So I take things as they come.
Yeah. I'd love to close our discussion today because you have a lot of experience, a lot of wisdom to share. The focus for many organizations is to recognize emerging leaders and what can we do to help them to succeed. So if you were to mentor a young professional, what would be some words you would share with them to help them in their career path?
Well, I look at it because when I first started in this career, I quit 3 times in my mind.
Okay.
And but I have the personality to persevere, and that's what you have to do. You have to persevere and take each step at a time and build from there.
All right, good words. Yeah. So you quit 3 times. What does that mean? Does that mean you were like, I'm done?
Yeah, I was going to look for another job.
Another industry?
Well, yeah, that was the first time I was in the industry. So
okay.
And it was I worked for a manufacturer, and I had to go out and clean toilets and everything like that. That didn't bother me, but being a salesman and looking to make money, and I wasn't for the first 6 months, and then all of a sudden it clicked. So it does take a little time, and like I said, you have to be keeping your nose forward and persevere.
Hard work. Yeah, I like that. Persevere. All you young professionals out there, listen to John. Don't give up.
No, don't give up. Thank you, Jeff.